So today is a little bit of a lighter video, back to normal, back to my usual uploads. I haven't done a makeup look since like June, so it's been quite a while and I'm really excited to get back into it and do some more makeup looks for you guys. Before I get started, I just want to say a really quick thank you from my husband and myself, just for the outpouring of love and support from all of our friends and family and people we didn't even know, and we just really appreciate all of the wonderful things you guys have said and the support you've given. Obviously coming forward with our infertility issues and things like that was not easy, but you guys were so sweet and so kind. Really, like, every single message I read made me cry and just broke my heart in the best way possible. I just can't believe we have people like you in our lives, and we're so thankful. So thank you again for just, you guys lifted us up and gave us so much hope, and we're just trusting in God at this point, and we just really appreciate it. So for today's makeup look, it is a fall makeup look. Fall, you could do this for Thanksgiving, you want to get a little fancy. It's like a cut crease glittery look, and I used this palette from our November Boxycharm. Really beautiful. So this is the palette that I used for the look today. And yeah, you guys are basically gonna see how I achieved this look. I absolutely love it. I think it's so beautiful, so glam. I'm not used to doing colors like this on my eyes, but I really hope you guys like it. So let's get into the video. so that is my completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and liked the way that I did my makeup. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm eating my hair. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. I will try to be more consistent with my uploads. I apologize that it's been so long. I've just had a lot going on, as you know. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!